let's go through the second example. All right, I'll apply the same trick here. I'm gonna write f of x in the exponent form, x to the power of 1/3. And I need up to the order 3, so I'm going to go up to the third derivative. So 1/3 x to the -2/3. We generally don't leave a negative exponent, so I'm going to take the reciprocal of that. How about it? 1/3 x to the 2/3. Okay. F double prime. 1/3 -2/3 multiplied, so -2/9 x to the -5/3. Okay. And I'm going to write it as like -2 divided by 9 x to the 5/3. Okay. Let's rewrite this part. Okay. I need one more derivative. Okay. So whenever I take the derivative, I use this form, but whenever I need to evaluate something, I'm going to use this form. Okay. 10/27, right? 10/27 x to the -8/3, and 10/27 x to the 8/3. Okay, take your time. Again, pause the video and evaluate those derivatives slowly with your own pace. C equals 8. So that means I'm going to evaluate all of these guys at 8. Have your calculator ready. So 8, which is in fact cubic root of 8. Okay, that's equal to 2. Okay. And then f prime of 8 is equal to 1/3, 8 to the power of 2/3, right? So what does that mean? 1/3 cubic root of 8 squared. 8 squared is 64, and cubic root of that is 4, so this boils down to 1/12. Okay? Take your time again. If you're rusty with algebra, it's the best time for you to practice that. -2, 9, let me just put in the parentheses, 8 to the power of 5/3. Okay. -2, 9, 5th power of 8 cubic root. This is where you can use a calculator. But I can tell you that this is going to be 2 to the 5th, 32 times 9. Okay. But let me simplify that. So this is 2 to the 5th, 32. So we are talking about -1/144. Okay. And I'm going to just write the fourth derivative evaluated at 8. Sorry, the third derivative, I'm sorry. Hold on. And you can just use your TI-84 to get this number out. Okay. There we go. I just precisely wrote the Taylor expansion by following the structure here. Okay. And here. Okay. And C equals 8 for this case, right? C equals 8. All right. So I like use that, and N equals 3, so it's P3. All right. So let me just grab these values. So f of 8 was 2, right? Okay, 2. F prime of 8 is 1/12. Okay. F double prime is -1 over 144, and negative 1 over 144 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 1 over 288 x minus 8 squared. And finally, this is going to be a tough one. 5 over 3,456 over 3 factorial x minus 8 cubed. I think this is check back. Okay, this should be like 5 over 20,736. Okay. Woohoo! A lot of calculations. Have your TI-84 ready all the time. I think I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.